Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm David from the HooterReview.com team. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video. I provide all the information about this new product. What exactly is this product? Outstanding features, how to use it in detail, and my experience. Who should buy this product? How to apply this product in your daily work and make money from it. Regarding the price policy, the upsells that the seller provides in this sale. Is there an all-in-one bundle offer? My discount codes will save you a lot of money, and especially as my team's gratitude to the readers, as well as to those who purchase through my website or through this video, I have a lot of attractive and valuable bonuses for you. Check them out at the end of the product review on my website HooterReview.com by following the link in the description. I am sure you will not be disappointed with those bonuses and they will help you increase the profits you earn. Be sure to send me a message to email HooterReviewBonus@gmail.com and I will send them to you within 24 hours. Next, let's explore this product.
Hey there, what's up guys, it's Fergal Downs here, and first of all I'd like to say a massive welcome to you to the sales page for Traffic Stream. Now Traffic Stream is a brand new 2-in-1 course that we have for you. So just like these pyramids behind you, this is a 2-in-1 course. Now part number 1 of this course is an education system where we're going to teach you how to get a ton of traffic to your websites. Part number 2 is going to be a software that is going to allow you to 10x that traffic that you get to your websites and your offers, and that traffic converts into sales very, very quickly and easily at a very high conversion rate to bring you in a ton of leads and sales and traffic and all of that kind of stuff. So you're never going to have to worry about traffic again once you pick up Traffic Stream through the link below. So like I said, just like these two pyramids behind me, this is a 2-in-1 system. You get the course where we teach you how to build traffic yourself, and you get the traffic software that's going to show you how to automate that traffic at a 10x rate to get 10 times as much traffic using that software. So guys, from here in Giza in Egypt, go ahead and click the join button below this video, and we can't wait to see you in the inside in just a moment.